Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is April J. Is Ababat. I'm from Philippines. I am 27 years old and single. I'm being working currently one of the biggest metalwork company in Davao City for more than 8 years. I'm being working using Jimao, FCAW, GTAW, and SMAW. And I'm offered CNC pipe bender. And my experience of fabrication, I fabricate Wowie tower and pineapple conveyor and banana conveyor stainless, and also I fabricate steel full for the street light and railings and sculpture, and also I experience fabricate stainless tank and rice dryer and canopy. And that's all. Thank you very much.